Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we're back with the BMW 7 Series and we're going to be doing something very simple, and we're just going to be changing a door card in the car. So this is a DIY video and it's something that you guys can do at home. So we're just going to show you guys how it's done. There's already 3 door cards which we have changed off camera, but the last one I've left so that I can do a video and show you guys how it's done on a BMW E38, and I believe it's the same process with a BMW E39 5 Series 2. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment, be part of this Alpha Customs journey. And what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. So to remove door cards, it's pretty simple. People may ask, why do you want to remove a door card? There's many reasons why you want to remove a door card. One, to upgrade your speakers in the doors. That's right here. You can do this by removing the door card, changing the speaker and putting the door card back on. 2, changing the look of the car like we're doing, and we're just changing the actual door card to make it look good. Even though some of you might not agree with me changing it to black, you would say that it's better to keep it cream. However, I want to know what you guys think. And 3, some people take off door cards to install ambient lighting too. So on this car, I don't know if I'm going to install ambient lighting or not just yet, but for now I'm just going to put the black one on. So enough of me talking away, let's get straight to work. So the majority of this door card is actually held in with clips, so you can just pull it apart and it will come off. However, there is one screw behind this door handle which we're going to be removing, which will give us access to removing the door handle, and then we can remove the actual door card. But what we need to do is release these clips on the bottom, and then this top bit gets lifted up. So what you want to do is start releasing all the clips around the door card, around here, and then you want to remove this screw behind the door handle, which is covered with a little plastic black bit, and then we want to remove that, and I believe it's a Torx screw which is right behind here, and then you want to just lift it up and then it will come off, and you want to remove all the connectors which are behind for the windows, etc. Also, another reason you might want to change your door card or remove your door card is when you want to change your window, in case there's something wrong with your window, or the regulator is gone, or someone smashed your window, you would want to change your door card. So we're going to start off by releasing these clips below. You want to get a plastic trim removing tool and just applying pressure from below. To be honest, this is not the best trim removing tool. This one's pretty rubbish, but you can buy a good quality trim removing tool online which will do the job much easier. This one is going to struggle a bit, but you get the point. It's just held in with clips. And once you remove the first few tabs, then you can pull it with your hand. Then next we're going to remove this plastic cap in the middle. So let's get a close-up of this, and as you can see here, there is a little plastic cover. We want to remove that, and then behind there is the Torx screw that we're going to remove, and then that should release that. So what you want to do is get like a little flathead screwdriver, and then you can just release this plastic bit, but I would recommend using a pick tool instead of a flathead screwdriver, as you can scratch it if you don't do it properly. So this is off, and it's not actually a Torx screw, it's a normal Phillips Plus screw that we want to remove, which is right behind. So we're going to do that. Put it in, and we want to start releasing the clips around the top. And that bit is done, and then we want to start lifting it up. And as you can see here, there's the lock. It's better if you lock the car and then remove this, and then that's it. The door card is out. But as you can see behind, there's so much wiring going through. But this is nothing compared to the new cars. This only has a few wires that you need to remove. As for the new cars have loads. So let's go through each and every one of them. So we've got one wire going all the way to the window switch. In order to remove that, you want to just squeeze on the actual tabs on the side and then pull it out. So as you can see, there's 2 tabs on each side. Just want to squeeze it out and then it comes out. So once we've removed the actual window switch wiring, there is the wiring to the light of the ashtray here. So same procedure, we want to just squeeze on the tabs and then you just have to add a bit of pressure with this. You get like a little plastic trim removing tool, place it there and pull it out, and then you just remove it and it comes out like that. Then after that, we've got the speaker wiring. This goes straight into the actual door, so we can just remove it here. And for this, you just want to pull it out. And then that's it, comes out. And then the last one is the lighting right at the bottom. So for this, if I can turn it around and show you guys, there is the light right here. What we want to do is get the plastic trim removing tool, remove the cover, and then we want to try and pull this out. So in order to do that, you need to take your time with this, as sometimes it doesn't come out straight away. And you just want to leverage it like this so that it comes out. There is just a connector here. You want to just pull that out, apply some pressure, and just pull it out. And that's it. The light is out, the wiring is out. I'm gonna put this wiring through and bring it out of the actual door card. And that's it. This door card is now free. There's only the speaker tweeter bit that we need from here. So we remove this and we put it onto the new door card. Apart from that, everything else can go. So for this, I had to improvise with this. So since the tweeter is actually stuck on at the back, so if you look carefully, this bit is stuck and you can't remove the tweeter on its own. So we need to remove this whole thing and then separate it from this brown bit, because on the new door card it's black and not brown. So then we need to glue it down and then stick it down again. So that's what we need to do. So that's something to bear in mind. That we've removed it, we can remove this netting on the top. So we're going to be changing this one to black and not brown, so that once we put this new thing on, it's going to fit onto the actual door card down there. And as you can see down there, it's black. So we're going to put the black netting on top of this and have the little brown all around. So that's what we're going to do, and then put it back in. So for now, we're just going to put this in as it is. And behind, we're going to apply some glue or like silicone paste. And then we're going to stick it down to the door card like it was before. And it's going to look like this once it's all done. However, we're not going to do that today. So we're just going to leave it as it is like this and just put the wire in, and then we can still access this even if the door card is on. It will just come out like this and then we can get it stuck on. So this is it. We're going to now wire everything up, put this door card on, and then job done. So these are the 2 switches. This is from an LCI BMW 7 Series, pre-LCI 7 Series. When you look at it from the front, they both look the same. There's no difference. However, when you go to the back, you can see the connectors are different. So this is the LCI and the pre-LCI. You can see the pre-LCI has a bigger connector compared to the LCI. So if you do change your door card, do remember to change the switches around, otherwise it's not going to work and you're going to be thinking, where is the switch for this, or why isn't it fitting? Make sure you change the switches before you sell off the door card or get rid of it. So that's something to bear in mind. So before putting the light back in, you want to make sure that the wire is through this hole here. And once it's through, you can wire it up. You just want to feed through the wire and get hold of it through here. So if you're new to this and you're doing this for the first time, make sure that you test the buttons before you put the door card on, as sometimes it won't work if you don't have the connector in properly. However, since I've done it for the other doors, that's why I didn't test it in this video. But if you're new, or if you do it for your own car, do test this before putting it all on. So yeah, this is the door card done. We need to give it a good wipe down after, and obviously this will be done off camera since I don't have the things with me to put it down. And then this is it. The door card is complete. The doors work. Let me see if it opens, otherwise our project just flopped. So that's that. This is it. We'll try open the door from inside. Ooh, this is say 7 Series are supposed to be big cars. Oh man. Yes, no problem with the door handle too. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. The door card is now done. Let me know what you guys think of a black door card. Personally, I think it looks better, but obviously it needs a clean as well. It looks dirty right now. But yeah, that's the door card done. You can do this yourself. Just few clips, few bolts, and the job is done, and few wires, and that's it. So if you did like that content, as mentioned at the start, do remember to like, subscribe and comment. Also, we sell parts on our website that you guys might be interested in, and we also sell our merch online at alphacustoms.co.uk, so you can check the link below in the description and you can check out all the parts which we might have for your car or things that we do on this car. And if you have an E38 yourself and you want to get specific modification parts, we might have it on our website, so go and check it out with the link in the description. So till next time, peace.